All right, girls. So I'm going to be reading this placement test to you. Okay, I need you to pay attention and you're going to be bubbling in your answer choices as we go. Remember that you can stop this video and go back as many times as you need to so that you can listen to the question carefully. So let's go ahead and start. Number one, as you see, there are a group of cubes. You have one, two, and then I have one, two, three cubes. Well, I want to know which addition tense sentence shows joining the groups of cubes. That means, again, which addition sentence tells me about putting the cubes together, joining the groups of cubes. A, 1 plus 2 equals 3. B, 2 plus 2 equals 4. C, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And D, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Again, the question is which one tells me about putting the cubes together. Question 2. Question 2, as you see, you have a group of circles at the top. However, 2 of them have been xed out. That means taken out. Well, tell me which number sentence tells me about how many counters are left. Again, which one of these number sentences tells me how many are left? So before you answer, you need to go and count all the circles that you have. Think about how many were taken out and then tell me how many are left. So would that be A, 4 plus 2 equals 6, B, 7 minus 2 equals 5, C, 8 minus 2 equals 6, or D, 4 minus 2 equals 2? Question 3 is asking you to shade in the triangle. Please find the triangle and bubble it in. Question 4. Question 4. My directions are on this side, girls, and that's why you see two screens. However, this is the screen that you're looking at, okay? So number 4. Number 4, you have a set of counters, a set of circles at the top. I see 1, 2. You have 2 counters, 2 circles. I want to know which one of these, A, B, C, or D, who has one more than my group at the top? At the top, I have 1, 2. So which group has one more? Is it going to be A, 1, 2, B, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, or D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Which one has one more than the group at the top? Question 5, you see kitty cats. So I see 2 groups of kitty cats. I see one group, and then there's your second group. Well, can you please tell me which addition sentence tells me about joining the group of cats? Which addition sentence tells me about putting them together? That means you have to go and count those cats that are in each group and make sure that they do equal to the total given. So is it A, 3 plus 5 equals 8, B, 4 plus 5 equals 9, C, 4 plus 6 equals 10, D, 5 plus 6 equals 11? Stop the lesson at any time and review the answers, please. Number 6, I see apples. There's 2 groups of apples. There's 1, 2, and then I see 1, 2, 3. Well, I want to know which 5 frame, because these are frames. They are called frames, okay? Which frame shows me the same number as apples as you have at the top? So that means please count the apples you have and then make sure that you find the matching frame. 7. The question from the question 7 is, I have 18. Again, your number is 18. So I want to make sure that you look at that number, 18. Can you tell me which one of these numbers is 1 less? Again, 1 less. That means one number smaller. Would it be 15? Would it be 16? Would it be 17? Or would it be 19? Please make your answer. Question 8. Which coin is a dime? Please bubble in the dime. 9. Please bubble in the circle. You have 4 shapes, A, B, C, and D. Please bubble in the circle at this time. Let's look at question 10. On question 10, I can see that you have 3 circles at the top. 1, 2, 3. And then you have A, B, C, and D. Can you tell me which one of these answer choices shows me these circles put in a different way? Again, which one of these shows you the same circles at the top, arranged or placed in a different way? 11. Which shows the objects sorted by shape? So that means that you're going to have to look at A, look at all the shapes, B, C, and D. Which group has the same shape? Is it A, B, C, or D? That means all your buttons, all your pictures need to have the same shape. Please find the one with the same shape and bubble it in. Question 12. So I want you to look at question 12. This is a table, okay? I can see that you have cats on the first row. My second row has dogs. My third row has birds, and your fourth row has hamsters. Well, the graph shows which pet a class likes better. So which pet did the students like the most? Did most students like cats? Did most students like dogs? Did most students like birds? Or did most students like hamsters? Can you please bubble in the one pet that the class liked the most? Now let's go to question 13. Can you please tell me which picture shows a way that you can earn income? Can you earn income by playing with a ball? Can you earn income by riding a bike? Can you earn income by playing in a pool? Can you earn income by selling lemonade? Please bubble in the answer at this time. 14. So on 14, I can see that I have 22. I see 24, and I see 23. Can you please tell me which answer choice has these numbers from least to greatest? That means from smallest to biggest. Is it A, 22, 23, 24? B, 23, 22, 24? C, 23, 24, 22? And D, 24, 23, 22. Remember that your numbers must be in order, the way that you count, in order from least to greatest, smallest to biggest. Please make your best answer. 15. So 15, I see 2 groups again. I see a group of shells, and then I see another group of shells of snails. These are snails. Can you please tell me which number sentence tells me about joining all the group of shells and snails? That means I want to put A, B, C, or D. Go to 16. Can you tell me which one is the heaviest? The heaviest object, please, and bubble it in. And then 17, which shape belongs at the top? Which shape belongs at the top? And 18, which number would be next? I have 50, 60, 70. What comes next? And 19, which group of